Welcome to Adventure Explorer. For more information about Antarctica trip, please read the blog, link below in comment section. I hope my blog will very helpful to you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for our latest videos. Procedure to the visit of the gorgeous trip of Antarctica continent. Region. Taking a trip to Antarctica is a unique and adventurous experience that requires careful planning and preparation. Here's a detailed procedure to help you plan your trip to Antarctica. Research and planning. Tour operators. Choose a reputable tour operator specializing in Antarctic expeditions. Look for operators that are members of the International Association of Antarctica Tour Operators, IAATO. Itineraries and costs. Review various itineraries, which may include different routes, activities, and durations. Costs can vary widely, typically ranging from $5,000 to $15,000 or more, depending on the length of the trip and level of luxury. Booking the trip. Book early. Expeditions to Antarctica are limited and fill up quickly, especially for the best cabins and dates. It's recommended to book at least 6 to 12 months in advance. Travel insurance. Purchase comprehensive travel insurance that covers trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and emergency evacuation. Prepare travel documents. Passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. Visas. Check if you need visas for any countries you will transit through on your way to Antarctica, such as Argentina or Chile. Medical preparations. Medical checkup. Have a medical checkup to ensure you are fit for the trip, as Antarctic expeditions can be physically demanding. Vaccinations. Ensure you are up to date on recommended vaccinations. Check if there are any specific requirements for the countries you will visit. Personal medications. Bring a sufficient supply of any personal medications, as well as a basic first aid kit. Packing for the trip. Clothing. Insulated, waterproof parka. Waterproof pants. Thermal layers, base layers, mid layers. Insulated gloves and mittens. Warm hat and balaclava. Waterproof boots. Wool socks. Gear. Waterproof backpack. Camera with extra batteries and memory cards. Binoculars. Reusable water bottle. Snacks and personal comfort items. Polarized sunglasses with UV protection. Sunscreen and lip balm with high SPF. Travel to departure point. Flights. Book flights to the departure point of your Antarctic expedition, usually Ushuaia in Argentina or Punta Arenas in Chile. Accommodation. Arrange accommodation for the days before and after your expedition, as weather conditions can cause delays. Embarkation. Pre-departure briefing. Attend a pre-departure briefing provided by your tour operator. Boarding the ship. Follow instructions for boarding the expedition ship, usually in the afternoon on the day of departure. During the expedition. Safety briefings. Attend all safety briefings and follow the guidelines provided by the crew. Activities. Participate in various activities such as zodiac cruises, shore landings, and wildlife viewing. Always follow the instructions of guides and naturalists. Environmental guidelines. Adhere to IAATO guidelines to minimize your impact on the pristine environment, including maintaining a safe distance from wildlife and not leaving any waste. Return and post-trip. Disembarkation. Disembark at the port of return, usually the same as your departure point. Travel home. Arrange for your return flights and accommodation as necessary. Share your experience. Share your experience with others and consider supporting Antarctic conservation efforts.